Hey friends, welcome back. So let's talk about a situation every VI beginner faces. You open the file in VI, start typing, but your text does not appear on the screen. You might even see some strange things in the status line at the bottom and become even more confused. To be able to work with VI properly, you need to know which modi exist in VI and how to switch between them. There are two modi in VI, the command mode and the insert mode. When you open a file in VI, you will be in command mode. So let's quickly open up my file again. VI, my file. So now that we opened the file, we are in command mode. Command mode means that VI will take your input as a command. For example, you could enter insert mode, navigate within a file, save a file, or exit VI. If you are not in command mode, you can switch to command mode by pressing escape. In insert mode, whatever you type will appear in your file. You can enter insert mode by pressing I. As I said, we are currently in command mode because we just opened the file. And if I now press some keys, nothing will happen. But if I press I, you will see that at the status line it says insert, which means we are in insert mode now. Whatever I type will be changed in the file buffer now. For example, I can press enter, this as well. So now we have some content and the next line says this as well. To save my file, I need to leave insert mode, and I can leave insert mode by pressing escape, and I can save the file by pressing :WQ, then it's saved. And if I open the file again now, contains the content. Okay, let's recap what we learned in this video. There are two modi in VI, command mode and insert mode. Command mode is the default mode after opening VI. Command mode interprets your input as a command, like entering insert mode, saving a file, exiting VI. Insert mode will take your input as input and add it to the file. Insert mode can be entered by pressing I, and you can switch back to command mode by pressing escape. Okay, I think that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.